Okay, welcome back, guys, to a new episode of Expert Studio. Today, I am going to share such a great airdrop of REV, which is basically a listed token on CoinGecko, and also it is a listed token on Coinbase Exchange in BTC pair. So, before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. What is REV project all about, and especially it is you can say a new idea by which you can share the payment, you can send the payment from one part of the world to another part. It is simple like this. Here you can see it by yourself. Right Evolution project, the digital platform for the payments. It's the fastest and most scalable digital platform enabling real-time global payments anywhere in the world, so you can transfer your money from one place to another without spending a huge amount on the transferring. Seriously, it is such a great thing for all of you. Here you can also see built for enterprise use. REV offers banks and payment providers a reliable on-demand option to source liquidity for cross-border payments. So that is basically the main theme of the REV project. Here you can also see the banking software, the payment providers, the digital agreements. Each and everything is available over here. Here you can also see the contract address of the REV token and also the allocation of the funds, the token distribution advisors and the partners, airdrop, company reserve, team, marketing and sales, product development, legal expenses, admin and operations, overhead expenses. Each and everything is basically is basically placed on the main platform where you can read each and everything regarding the REV project. Here you can see all the partners of the REV project, and here you can also see the roadmap. In the 2019 November, they basically start the concept of this token, and now at this time the token events launch. At this time you can buy this token directly on the Coinbase exchange. It is entirely easy for you, but before moving on, you must have to read each and everything regarding the project in their white paper and also on the main platform of the REV. If you have any type of questions, you must have to join their telegrams, and also you can ask the questions on the Twitter because the team is available over there 24/7 for your help, and also you can email them directly. Right now what I am going to share with you is such a great thing, that is that is basically an airdrop of around $55. And as I am telling you again and again that this project is a listed entirely it is basically a listed the project and available on the Coinbase. Here you can see it by yourself that it is available in the BTC pair, and 11 Satoshi is priced at this time. It means 0.0008, so you can buy this token directly from the Coinbase exchange. Now I will show you on the CoinGecko. Here you can see it by yourself. REV project is available over here, and the price is only and only $0.008295 So it is entirely at low price, so you can easily buy this token from the Coinbase exchange. Now I am going to tell you how you can basically join their airdrop. But here I will show you something very important. In their Telegram group, they basically have had a new partnership with basically Heth group. Here you can see it by yourself, Hash Ethereum and REV basically partnership. And if you want to earn $12 of REV and $12 of Heth tokens, so you just have to basically like and the retweet of this tweet, and you have to mention your 5 friends. You have to tag 5 friends in that one tweet, then probably you are going to get, and also you have to comment your wallet address, so you are going to get the reward of $12 of REV and also $12 of Heth. Here you can find this one tweet link in the main Telegram group of it is not the group, I think it is the channel. You basically you will get the link in the Telegram channel of this very tweet. So I will tell you regarding the airdrop, how you can join this airdrop REV. It is entirely easy. You must have to join their both Telegram group and channel, and also you have to follow them on the Twitter, and then you have to put your details like Twitter username, your the retweet link, and also you can here you can mention your Telegram username, your email address, your Ethereum wallet address, and at the end, if you all love and if you like to enter my the referral code, you must have to enter my Telegram username at the rate of niche3. Then you are going to get $55 REV tokens here you can see it by yourself. For completing all the tasks you will get, and you will be rewarded with 70,000 REV tokens. That is basically around $55. So you must have to join this airdrop. I will share the link in the description. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks.